I am Sridhar. Recently, I happened to receive a big collection of protein bars as my birthday gift from my family instead of the routine sweets and cakes due to Corona scare. The protein bars had very colorful and attractive packing with catchy options such as guilt-free bar, wholesome bar, perfect snack bar. I was about to open an attractive pack humming एक बार just then my wife's interception came in with a precautionary बार देखो हजार बार देखो. Oh, that sounded a timely alert for me and I decided to follow her advice. First, I thought of checking these protein bars for their ingredients and nutritional claims. On a close look, I found that some of these bar products claim to contain natural ingredients and even being 100% vegetarian. Now let's think about this. Who checks these products information? Who controls the package labels and quality? Who cares about the controls? Now, I have a very good opportunity to check the information printed on dozens of protein bars in my kitty. I found that these bars were mainly from three popular protein bar products sold in India. These bars had product weight ranging from 30 grams to 50 grams, and interestingly, all these products were uniformly priced at rupees 1 per gram of the weight. People say don't judge a book by its cover, but this does not apply for the products being discussed now. The reason you'll come to know soon. I would like to focus hard only on the labeled information and claims printed on the cover packs in this presentation because this is the main attraction and influencing factor for purchase of any popular protein bar product. Gaia Sport is the first brand we are going to look at. It is manufactured by RG Formulations and marketed by Cosmic Nutracause Solutions Private Limited in India. Let's have a look at two variants of Gaia Sports granola bar with chocolate and muesli and almond and raisin flavor. A cursory glance at the cover packs indicates that they include few unspecified and synthetic antioxidant ingredients. Let's note the observations and conclusions on Gaia Sport product labels. The ingredients and nutritional information indicates that a dark compound is listed, fiber content is not listed in chocolate and muesli bar, antioxidant E310, which is propyl gallate, is used and this is banned in few countries. Antioxidant E319, which is tertiary butyl hydroquinone, a synthetic food additive, is used to protect from the product discoloration. The low kilocalorie of 115 to 133 indicated in these two products, 76 to 80% filled with carbohydrates, is indicative of the usage of low calorie sugar alternatives. So let's look at the claims of the first product, Gaia Sport Almond and Raisin Granola Bar. It claims to be a source of protein and fiber, but the amount of protein and fiber provided in this product falls too short of a standard requirement of 20 gram protein and 7 gram fiber in the category of sport nutrition, and even for normal nutrition requiring minimum 8 gram protein in the bar. The next product is Gaia Sport Chocolate and Muesli Granola Bar, which claims to be a source of iron and with zero trans fat and zero cholesterol. The amount of iron and zinc provided through this product is insufficient against the required dietary allowance of 8 to 11 mg for zinc, 8 to 15 mg for iron requirements in a normal nutrition. Conclusion, it is that the Gaia Sport granola bars do not satisfy with their ingredients composition and as well the nutritional contents. The next brand we are going to check is the popular Right Bite brand products. The packaging of Right Bite Chocolate Delight, Sports Bar and Yogurt Berry Bar are very attractive and colorful. Right Bite brand products are manufactured by Goldie Foods Technologies Private Limited and marketed by Natural India Private Limited in India. All the Right Bite bar products prominently display that they are made with natural ingredients and do not contain any preservatives. The ingredients information on the Right Bite bar products are termed as proprietary food snacks, comprising of various cereals, nuts, milk compounds, along with other ingredients. These bar products are also indicated as 100% vegetarian. As you can see, all the Right Bite product labels have several flaws and discrepancies, which we will discuss in the next slide. This slide covers the nutritional information provided on the three Right Bite product packs. All the Right Bite products claim to provide protein and calcium contents equivalent to 1 cup of milk and vitamin A equivalent to 1 small carrot, vitamin C equivalent to 2 strawberries and vitamin E equivalent to 6 almonds. Now let's check out the claims. The claimed amounts of 150 mg of calcium and 150 micrograms of vitamin A on all the Right Bite product labels is deficient as per the label claim, as a cup of, that is 100 ml of normal milk, contains about 300 milligrams of calcium and one small carrot contains about 10,000 international units of beta carotene provitamin A, which is equivalent to 500 micrograms of vitamin A. We can also notice that all the Right Bite bar products have the same nutritional figures. A glaring mistake is L-glutamine, an amino acid, is listed under the vitamins and minerals. Now let's have a look at the summary of observations and conclusions on all Right Bite product labels. Few examples, let us check. All the Right Bite bar products claim to be 100% vegetarian while using milk compound, milk solids, whey protein concentrate and yogurt powder. Fiber content is not mentioned in the label. An unspecified white compound is mentioned. Several ingredients are mentioned twice in the labels of all the products. For example, milk solids, emulsifier and edible vegetable oil are mentioned repeatedly in the labels. Glutamine is an amino acid, but it is separately mentioned in addition to amino acids and also wrongly labeled again under vitamins and minerals. Flavors are not included in the ingredients list, while vitamins A, C and E are included in the ingredients list. Right Bite bar products claim to contain natural ingredients and no preservatives, while they use citric acid, nature identical flavors and an unspecified brownie flavor. Conclusion. Conclusion is that all the Right Bite bar products are improperly or wrongly labeled and they do not satisfy their key nutritional claims. The amount of protein provided in the products falls too short of a standard requirement of 20 gram protein in the category of sport nutrition and 8 to 15 gram protein content to be present in a protein bar for the normal nutrition. Now let's look at the another popular brand, Yoga Bar. Two breakfast protein bar products of Yoga Bar with apricot fig and blueberry pie flavors are shown here. Yoga Bar products are manufactured by Sprout Life Foods Private Limited in India. Let's have a look at the ingredients and nutritional information provided on the cover packs of the two Yoga Bar products. The ingredients list consists of a mix of whole grains, seeds, nuts, dried fruits along with a fructooligosaccharides additive which is useful as a prebiotic fiber ingredient. The Yoga Bar products contain added natural flavors. The apricot fig protein bar lists an unspecified fruit extract in the flavors. The nutritional facts in the Yoga Bar are labeled as per 50 gram serving of a protein bar. The key nutrients: protein, carbohydrates, dietary fiber, fat, along with fatty acid composition is listed in a percent daily value basis according to 2000 kilocalorie diet. Now, to summarize the Yoga Bar product pack details, the labeling, including the ingredients list and the nutritional facts, is done appropriately in both the products. Both the products satisfy the minimum requirement of 8 gram protein and 7 gram fiber desired in a breakfast protein bar. Assessment of information on product packs of 3 popular brand of protein bars in India turns out to be quite a revealing exercise. Mind you, this is just a product labeling assessment. We didn't probe the actual bar for its quality and benefits. Out of 3 popular brands assessed, 2 of them do not comply with required labeling and fall short of their nutritional claims. This review, though it covered only the ingredients and nutritional information provided on the product packs, it serves as a right precaution for the consumers before they purchase any protein bar product from online source or retail stores. Obviously, it's a reminder for the consumer not to be trapped by the colorful packaging and false nutritional claims of any popular brand of protein bars. So guys, be cautious while selecting a protein bar product, either for convenience purpose or nutritional supplementation. Best wishes to all of you. Bye.